Hello everyone, my name is Chen Ying. I will enter a postgraduate course in September 2020, and now I'm going to show you how to find information about my major at University of Leeds. My major is Fashion Enterprise and Society, which is taught by School of Design and Business School. Okay, let's go. We can use Google search engine, and we need to type University of Leeds here. Click on it and click on course search. Type in the name of course here. Okay, choose Masters. Click on search. We find the name of my course and click on. Okay, as you can see, this is my course page, and there are 4 parts: overview, course content, applying fees and funding, career opportunities. We can start with overview. It introduces purpose of teaching and what skills students can learn. According to the test, we know the student can get a lot of skills, and then student can view the fashion industry from a broader perspective and be better prepared to be fashion business innovator. And in another hand, the school will provide a great number of facilities and resources, such as well-equipped studio, purpose building computer clusters, and we can look at information in Master Spencer Company archive. And there are a video, you can watch it and listen to the feeling of former students in this major. Move on the second part. This template shows us what kind of course we are going to study. As you can see, it concludes compulsory modules and optional modules. If you want to get more information, you can click here. This is a list of postgraduate courses. You can see students should study full-time for 12 months and get 108 credits. Plus, you need to satisfy the University of Leeds language requirements. For example, you should get an IELTS score of 6.5 overall with not less than 6.0 in all components. And in addition, there is course modules. Course modules are provided by School of Design, and you can see them in here. Another information is optional modules. You can choose elective courses according your interests, and you can click on here. More information about courses are available here. You can find teaching methods, assessment type, reading list, and so on. Okay, now let's go back to part 3. are the requirements. Here are the inter requirements and how to apply. Students should prepare some materials like a copy of your degree, certificate, a personal statement, evidence of your English qualifications, and so on. How much the fees? The UK students need to pay 12,000 pounds. International students need to pay 24,000 pounds. However, if you are very talented, you can get financial support by university or government. And I will show you the last part. When you graduate, what kind of job will you get? You can enjoy magazine and fashion companies, or create your own business. Maybe you can continue studying. Okay, that's all I want to share with you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for your listening.